on the mountain. You see, I was on the top there, filming from the top, very strong wind there, and now I'm walking down this way, and this is what I see while I walk. See, it's quite steep here, not very convenient to walk, but it's mainly sand. Wow, what an explosion. Sometimes we have those massive shoot-ups in between, kind of scary. It reminds me so much the volcano from the last year, Meradalir, which is just above there on the mountain, not active anymore, but it's a deja vu. It was very similar activity to this. We saw such explosions there as well. There was a fissure here to the front which kind of cooled it down. There's no activity in this line. Oh, my bottle from the water fell down. Iceland 2022. August 12th, Friday. Oh, wow, it's my wife is calling where I am. I have to answer the phone. Too late, but I will call back. See, right now we are on the fish line. We are walking through. There is some hot lava there on the edges. I want to approach it. Wow, look at this. Wow, so active today. Activity intensifies in the night, you know. After sunset, this thing starts to go really violent. Less so in daytime. The same case with the last year eruption. I hope you can hear the noise. Not a single soul here, nobody. All people are on the other side of the hill where you see the lights. And, because they all walk trail A, which is about 6 kilometers from parking lot, but I arrived here with a bike behind this mountain. My bike is 2 kilometers from here. That's where I have to walk to pick it up, electrical bike, and then I will back home. It's about 7.5 kilometers to the car to bike. Well, it's just electrical, okay. It's pretty quick, like 20 minutes max. this is what is happening today in Iceland. Very powerful eruption. All the best.